Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm on my last day here today, and I'm literally just finishing up, doing some cleaning, finishing up a few little bits and stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys the pretty much final product now, what I've been up to, just go through all what I did, and let me know what you guys think of the transformation. I'll also put photographs again of the original room space, what it looks like before, so you can see what I've done. So without further ado, let's have a look. So this is the partition that I built with the cabinets, or with the storage at the top, should I say, built out of plywood, finished ply. Put the handles up there now, hinge the doors, and this is it from the side. It's a socket that I added as well. The room didn't have that many sockets here. This is the walk-in wardrobe space that I created. I'm literally just going to add a few shelves here, and then this will get painted another time. It's been undercoated. Here is the lighting that was added as well. And this mirror it's an old mirror that we put on here and gave it a coat of paint. And where it's been painted up the top, up here as well. So that's here. I'll take you around to obviously the room itself has been painted. As you can see, all been painted. So in here is pretty much done. This is the drawers that I built. Handles are on. Everything's been siliconed. This is the original medicine cabinet, so that's gone back on. Lighting is all done, as you can see. Switches. Finally found these caps to cover that. They're quite scarce at the moment. Last bit to do is just to paint up here, which I've undercoated, just to paint that white. Here's the door, by the way. Sliding door mechanism, which locks here, like that. So that's sliding door. So that's these again, with drawers again. You can see this is the vanity area. Show you here. I actually put a picture up as well. That's the lighting on this side, so it's got separate lighting for that side as well. This area, towel rail's been fitted. Also another picture as well. I'm just gonna go up and just clean some plaster residue off the ceiling. There, just wipe it down. The shower's all been siliconed and everything. There's the toilet. There's the toilet roll holder. There's the frame around the opening that we cut out of the concrete wall. And I've got some architrave on it as well. I just need to cut in the last bit of paint along here under that ledge, which I caulked. And the painting has been done up here. This is the window that was added, cut out and added as well. So that is all been finished. This inset's been finished and siliconed as well. And shower is done as well. So just to give the place a good clean, and then we're all done.